Welcome back everyone, hope you're all doing amazing. Today we're going to be doing a video on the turbo setup that I've gone with for my 80 series. So let's get straight into it. For the 80 series we have gone with a G-Turbo green wheel 1HZ starter package. So it comes with everything that is needed to drive in, drive out with the turbo. It's just a green wheel. It's supposed to be, or its range is I think like 15 to 20 some 22 psi. So far I'm really happy with it. The turbo's done what it's needed to. So I went to G-Turbo, I bought the kit, got them to install it all for me, and they tuned it for me while I was there as well, just to get it running all smoothly. Currently it's pushing 16 psi through it, and it's getting about 94 horsepower, which was a big improvement from the previous 65 horsepowers that this thing had. It's still slow, but we have made it an improvement, as it should. We are hoping for more power though. Comment down below how much horsepower you want this thing to make. Most like comment I'll do. I'm taking the piss. Altogether, the kit itself was 4,800, but because I had a different exhaust and manifold, extractors, whatever was on this before, I had to get another end piece, which brought the kit in total to about 5,100. Because I bought it with G-Turbo, they installed it for me and tuned it for a reasonable price. It does mang. It comes with a 3-inch straight through exhaust, a Manta one. It sounds fucking unreal. So the kit comes with all of the plumbing. It has the G-Turbo itself. It comes with the manifold, new gaskets, 3-inch straight through exhaust. I think it does come with it usually would come with a muffler, the kit, but I asked for no muffler, none of that, so it's just straight fucking that. After that, I got a boost gauge. I've got some other gauges, but I'm going to do a pillar pod to fit all three of them. But right now, I've just hooked up boost. That just shows that when I hit 16 psi, 94 horses are coming out of this thing. It's perfect for the person who wants to turbo their 80 series. I'm sure you could find other kits out there, but this had everything on it. And I just went to them to fit it and do everything. Altogether is probably about $7,000. Drive in, drive out. See what else needs done if something blows up or, just decides to shit itself. We'll see what happens. It comes with all the necessary things to fit it. If you wanted to do it yourself, save your cost on fucking fitting, and you'd still probably want to get it tuned after. I'll let you hear some fucking videos of the thing. See all 94 ponies of this thing. And the torque, the torque went from 170 to 277. That was a good increase. Later on, hopefully, we will be putting on an intercooler and a few other bits and bobs that will make this thing a lot faster. But yeah, that is the 1HZ turbo kit. It's very simple. We'd like to push the 1HZ. So, you'll see some videos in maybe a few weeks' time.